Click Start button, go to Settings, select Devices, here on left side select Printers and Scanners. Click on Adobe PDF, then click on Manage. Here click on Printing Preferences. Uncheck Rely on System Fonts only. Do not use document fonts. Uncheck this. Click Apply and OK. Now try to print to PDF and see if that works for you.